Have you ever wanted to humanize your AI-generated content? Are you tired of receiving high AI content scores on apps that test how human-like AI-generated that content is? I've discovered an easy copy and paste prompt for ChatGPT's new OpenAI O1 model that you can use by simply visiting this video description as a copy paste. You can copy and paste this prompt to instantly transform AI-generated content into humanized content. Here's how it works. First, copy the prompt provided in the description into ChatGPT. Then, where it says add content here, that's where you're going to paste your AI-generated content. Then, press enter. Now take your new output, copy it, and paste it into your favorite AI-generated content detector. My favorite is zerogpt.com. Click detect text. As you can see, this got an 8.28 AI GPT score, which is absolutely incredible. Now, let's compare that to the original, shall we? I'm going to copy and paste the original AI generated text and see what that score is. Click detect text. Absolutely crazy. The original text was 88.23% AI GPT. So make sure to use ChatGPT's new OpenAI O1 model to your advantage. And remember, stay ethical. Don't engage in illegal activities, cheat on your homework, or try to pass AI content as your own. This information is meant for entertainment purposes only. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to run the prompts and prompt the planet.